Welcome to WhatsApp Business Mastery with me, Nikita SS. So, I specialize in taking businesses online from offline using a very simple and effective tool and our world's favorite messaging app, which is WhatsApp. So, I specialize in implementing the WhatsApp app or the software for your business and take it to an all new level. Just a brief introduction about myself. My name is Nikita, a wife to my Superman, an avid biker turned foodpreneur turned digi foodpreneur, and now the founder of Digipreneurs World and WhatsApp Business Mastery. I am on a mission to create 1 lakh digipreneurs across the globe in the next 1 year by creating an impact on their lives and showing them an easy way of doing business from the comfort of their homes. So let's see what we have in store for all of us. So today's agenda is I'm going to be briefly taking you through what is the difference between WhatsApp and the WhatsApp business app, 3 mistakes every entrepreneur makes, a key ingredient of a successful WhatsApp campaign, and how you can scale up your business just using WhatsApp with a successful case study. And last but not the least, I will also guide you a step-by-step process to take your business online using the WhatsApp Business Blueprint. Are you ready for that? Let's go! Firstly, what is WhatsApp Business? Ladies and gentlemen, please be aware that WhatsApp Business is an independent app apart from the regular WhatsApp Messenger that we use on a day-to-day basis. So again, it is a free to download app, and as the name says, it is very suitable for business owners or entrepreneurs. The major differences or the standout points are that on the WhatsApp Business app, you have the option to create a catalog to showcase your products or services. There are many inbuilt messaging tools to automate and sort and quickly respond to messages that you receive on WhatsApp. And not just this, you can use the WhatsApp Business app for many things, starting from customer support to delivering important notifications amongst the others. So this is an independent app, and I will also tell you that if you have a dual SIM phone, you can use the regular WhatsApp Messenger as well as the WhatsApp Business app on the same device, but you will need to have a different phone number for WhatsApp Business. Or if you want to convert your existing WhatsApp to a WhatsApp Business account, you can also do that, right? So let's get ahead. So here's a quick table of the differences and the similarities between WhatsApp and the WhatsApp Business app. Right, so I'm not going to be taking you through the regular WhatsApp because we know all of these. And WhatsApp Business app, as I told you, it's suitable for businesses and small and medium enterprises. It has a lot of messaging automation tools like quick messages, greeting messages, away messages, and many more. You also have an option of having to build your own business profile and also have a business description on the WhatsApp Business app, whereas it is not available on the regular WhatsApp Messenger, right? And there is a very fancy feature called labels where you can use that to organize your chats within WhatsApp. And the similarities, yes, both are free usage, free to download from the Play Store or the App Store. Now, a quick interesting fact before we go ahead. On WhatsApp, on a regular day-to-day basis, there are more than 60 billion messages sent through WhatsApp every single day throughout the globe. 60 billion messages. Yes, you heard me right. And the best part for you and me as entrepreneurs, that 98% of mobile messages, that is WhatsApp messages, are opened and read. And 90% of them get opened within 3 seconds of them being received. So what does this mean? The open rate of WhatsApp is very high compared to emails or SMS. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you send 100 messages on WhatsApp to 100 different people. The chances are that amongst the 100 people, there are 98 people that will open your message and read, and there are 90 people who will open your message and read on WhatsApp within 3 seconds. Isn't that a good number? This is a mind-boggling number. Let me give you a quick comparison. For emails, the open rate in India is just anywhere between 8% to 12%. That means out of 100 emails that you send, only 8 to 12 people open and read your emails, right? And SMS is also incomparable to WhatsApp. So 98%, 98 out of 100 people read your WhatsApp messages. So what more best a marketing tool can WhatsApp be used as? Seed for thought, think about it. Let's get ahead. Yes, as I said, isn't that an amazing number? Now to the next topic for today that we have planned, the 3 mistakes every entrepreneur makes while using the WhatsApp business account. The first mistake is using personal number for WhatsApp business. Yes, I did tell you that you can convert your personal number to your WhatsApp business number, because you might feel, okay, over the years you have built so many contacts using your personal number itself that you can't afford to let go of them, right? I agree with you. So what I suggest you to do is, if you are in that scenario, convert your personal number to your WhatsApp business number, and please go get yourself a different personal number and keep that separate from your business profile. Got it? Or if you're a startup or just starting off, you can also go ahead for your WhatsApp business account with a fresh number, right? So that is mistake number 1, using personal number for WhatsApp business. So at the end of the day, I want you to all keep your personal WhatsApp and business WhatsApp separate and not overlap with each other. The second common mistake that every entrepreneur makes is spamming. Now I understand there are many fancy tools on the WhatsApp business app for you to use, but it does not mean you keep spamming your leads, prospects or customers continuously. That will lead to them blocking your contact on WhatsApp, and don't get into that, right? So you should find the right mix and frequency of messages that you send to any customer, right? So maybe you can figure out with hit and trial that what is the best time to send out a WhatsApp message, a promotional message, a transactional message, whatever it can be. Find the right time and the right frequency. Should I send a message once a week or once in 15 days or once a month? I do not know. It totally depends on the nature of your business, and you are the best judge to take a call on that, right? So the third common mistake an entrepreneur makes is unexpected calling on WhatsApp. Now, I do understand WhatsApp has a lot of ways that you can reach out to your customer, right? You can send an audio message, a text message, you have voice call, you have video call options. There are so many ways you can contact your customer, right? Now, just because you have these features doesn't mean without taking that appointment or prior permission, you just pick up your WhatsApp and start calling them. No, that can feel very, very intimidating to the receiver. So it is always advised for you to take a prior permission or appointment from that particular customer or a prospect and then call them on WhatsApp. So when it comes to calling, especially a video call is preferable according to me, wherein you can also showcase the demo of your product or service if possible. So this is the way you can use WhatsApp business app to the fullest, right? Now let's get ahead. Yes, you might be wondering, yes, now, okay, I'll follow all these steps. Now, how do I market successfully using WhatsApp business app? I'm sure that's a question running in your mind. Now, let me take you through the key ingredient of a successful WhatsApp marketing campaign. We all know as entrepreneurs what is a marketing campaign and how you warm up leads and then bring them into your basket, right? Now, the same thing happens on a WhatsApp marketing campaign as well, but the main thing to be noted here is, for you to be successful running a WhatsApp campaign is you to make the people, your prospects or probable customers, to opt into your WhatsApp business account. That is the biggest challenge. So once you have done that, you are like 80% through the WhatsApp game, the WhatsApp campaign plan, right? Now, what is opt-in? Opt-in is nothing but making people realize that they would want to be on your WhatsApp list. Yes, it has to come from the other side. You cannot push it on people. Okay, take this message. I'm going to be spamming you continuously with my promotional messages about my products or services. No, it does not work that way. Please be very, very clear about it. People will just get annoyed, and there are high chances you will get blocked from their contacts. So I want you to think of some creative ways to make them opt into your WhatsApp list voluntarily. The most common mistake that I again see entrepreneurs doing, they create a huge group with their probable customers with I know there is a limit of 256 people on a single group on WhatsApp, and all that they do is create a WhatsApp group with 200 250 odd people and start sending out messages, promotional messages about their products or services. Let me warn you, people are going to leave that group instantly. They do not want to be disturbed, right? So never do that mistake of adding random people to a random group. That will only lead you to waste of time, effort, and energy, right? So what I want you to do is think of some creative ways wherein use social media, use email marketing, use telemarketing. I don't know, you can get as creative as possible and get people to voluntarily opt in to your WhatsApp account, because that ways you will have to deliver valuable content on a consistent basis. So that's when this can be achieved successfully and seamlessly, and yes, it is possible to do. Right now, let's move on to the next chapter. Yes, now here I want to discuss about a successful case study of using WhatsApp Business. So this company is called Books by Kilo, and the founder for this is Abhishek Sayam, right? So he came up with a crazy new concept of selling pre-loved books by kilo and not by MRP. Got it? So that's why it's called Books by Kilo. And there are about 6 to 7 members in their team, and they connect with about close to 1,500 customers just using WhatsApp. Yes, they connect over 1,500 customers just using WhatsApp, right? Now, what do they use the WhatsApp Business app for, right? So they use the WhatsApp Business app to update the order status of the customers. Isn't that a useful task? Yes. To get reviews, ratings, and feedback. To inform users about the new offers and discounts. And not just that, obviously they also handle a lot of inbound inquiries and orders just using WhatsApp. Yes, you heard me right. So if you look at, the operational side of a business, getting an order, inquiry, updating the order status, delivering the order, getting reviews, ratings, and informing them about offers and discounts. So pretty much the operational level business is taken care with connecting over 1,500 customers just using WhatsApp. Now I'm sure your brain is churning on how you can implement this as well. Some more interesting data about this particular company. Now, Abhishek Sayam, the founder of Books by Kilo, he says, WhatsApp Business has helped them to create a positive connection between them and customers. Isn't that a big win already? As I told you, 98% is the open rate, and WhatsApp is the most easiest way that you can reach anybody online today. And what best to reach customers, right? So that instantly creates a positive connection, and that helps them to interact more effectively with the prospects or customers to understand their requirements. And with this, they have been able to see an increase of sales by 30 to 40%. Isn't that a good number? It's an amazing number just using WhatsApp to increase their sales by up to 30-40%, right? And not just this, they have also halved their customer service and marketing cost. You're saving a lot. They've halved their customer service cost and marketing cost, And the best part so far in this particular case study, in just less than 1 year, they were able to scale up their business from just 25 odd customers to 2,500 customers. That is the pure 100 times growth, 100x growth just using the WhatsApp business app. Isn't that amazing data? If you can grow 100 times just using the WhatsApp business app, what more can you do? And not just this, he also says WhatsApp has given us the option to promote our products without any additional cost, because WhatsApp is a free to download app. It's a free to use app. Even the regular WhatsApp and the WhatsApp for Business app is free to use. Yes. I mean, you still have the time, you still have the opportunity to start using WhatsApp business app and stay ahead of your competition and be different in your market, in your industry. Isn't that an amazing case study to look at? So thanks to Abhishek Sayam for sharing his insights on using the WhatsApp business app. Now, you might be thinking, okay, how can I start using the WhatsApp business app to scale my business? Right? Yes, I'm sure you have this thought going on in you. And don't worry, I'm always there to help you out. So before that, let me show you a cool trick which I call the WhatsApp magic. Yes, I want you to all pull out your phones. Come on, pull out your phones. Whoever is watching, pull out your phones and open your WhatsApp. Right? So you can also see the instructions popping up on your screen right here. Open your WhatsApp, go to settings, right? On the settings, next to your profile name, there's a QR code symbol or an icon, right? Next to your name, next to your profile name, there's a QR code. Just tap on that and your camera will open up there, right? So click on scan code on the top right side if you're using an Android phone, or at the bottom of your screen, you can see a button called scan for iPhone users. Got it? So scan this QR code right here on your screen. Yes, do it right now. Do it right now. Scan the QR code on the screen and push the send button. Do it right now. I'm sure you're doing it and you have figured out the scan option in your settings on your WhatsApp, right? So yes, once you scan the QR code here, which is there on your screen, and send the message, I'm going to be receiving all your messages directly. That's the power of WhatsApp. That's the magic of WhatsApp, right? So now, do you want to know how to do all these things? How to use WhatsApp business app to the fullest? I'm sure you want to know, and that is why I'm going to be sharing with you a blueprint, a WhatsApp business blueprint. What is a blueprint? It's nothing but a plan of action, right? So I'm going to be sharing with you a 5-day plan of action to start implementing the WhatsApp business app in your business and take your business to an all new level. Are you ready? Let's get into the WhatsApp business blueprint. Yes. So this is my suggestion. On day number 1, I want you to set up your WhatsApp business profile and catalog. Yes, that's the day 1 task. So I've broken it down to 5-day tasks, 5-day plan of action, and you can implement this very, very easily. Day number 2, you have to set up your WhatsApp marketing framework and start using the inbuilt tools, the messaging tools already available on WhatsApp, right? So that is day number 2. Day number 3 is all about supercharging your WhatsApp business account and getting ready for sales in less than 60 minutes. Yes, it is possible when it is done in the right way. Day number 4 is more of getting your first few customers already using WhatsApp at no cost. That's the catch. So getting your first few customers on WhatsApp, and not just that, it is also important for you to organize your customers efficiently using the WhatsApp Business app. Yes, as I told you in the beginning, the labels feature will help you organize your customers effectively. And once you have done that, you have to set up some super targeted marketing messages to your respective customer target segments or customer niche. Right? So that is the task for day number 4. And day number 5, the real magic starts happening, where you will start scaling up your WhatsApp marketing, collect customer feedback, and start discovering more and more tools available on WhatsApp. And not just that, you can also set up an online store without any technical knowledge or prior experience. If you can use WhatsApp on your phone, all that is the knowledge that you require to set up the online store for free, and also transact through WhatsApp and start selling your products or services just using WhatsApp. Right? So it is as simple as that. So day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the suggested WhatsApp business blueprint for you to implement and start using the WhatsApp business app more efficiently, effectively, and with an orientation to achieve results. Right? Now that I've given you the blueprint, now you might be wondering, okay, can I really do all these stuff? Nikita says this is all very easy, but can I really do this? I'm sure you can. And I have more than 150 people, entrepreneurs, who have already done this very, very effectively and have started seeing amazing results. Now, if you're wondering if you had some guidance or help on doing this in an organized manner, in an effective manner, don't worry, help is on its way. Yes, you heard me right. Here's introducing what I call the 5-day WhatsApp for Business workshop. Yes, this is an action-oriented WhatsApp for Business workshop. The same blueprint that I showed you for the 5 days, the plan of action for 5 days, is what I will be guiding you through on a simple action-oriented workshop. Yes, it is possible and it is already available. Right? So what will this workshop help you with? Well, it will help you have a professional approach to your customers, and you will not miss out even on a single inquiry through the day. Of course, you will stay ahead of the competition and take your business to the next level, because not many people are still using the WhatsApp Business app to promote their products or services in a professional manner, right? You hardly see any businesses around. So that is what will make you stand out. And of course, you will be doing what others are not doing. And this workshop is just priced at rupees 499. That's it. Just at 499 rupees, you will be able to set up your WhatsApp business account in a professional manner. And we generally have 2 batches in a month starting up. And for any more details on the batches, on the upcoming batches, you can contact us for more details. Yes, a quick overview on the benefits of using the WhatsApp Business app. Yes, apart from the main, many uses that I have discussed through the case study and the features that are available with WhatsApp Business app, you can use the app, to provide customer support, derive feedback, do some customer research, consumer research, to get some reviews, ratings, to send out reminders, deliver special offers, and much, much, much more. You can get as creative as possible. Yes, that is a possibility, and I have trained more than 150 entrepreneurs so far, ranging from a startup to over businesses worth more than 60-70 crore rupees on an annual turnover. So that is the set of entrepreneurs I work with on a day-to-day basis, and they have been able to achieve tremendous results just using the WhatsApp Business app, again done in the right way. So here's again, now if you're interested to get started, all I want you to do is scan this QR code as I guided you, or you can also reach me on my phone number, which is there visible on your screen right now at the bottom, and you can inquire about the workshop of the upcoming batches and more details for your reference. So I believe I've added some immense value to your day with and how you can start using the WhatsApp business app effectively and efficiently to take your business to an all new level. And let me break a golden nugget right here before I end my talk. Well, if you had noticed, I showed the same screen to you just a while ago, just before the blueprint, right? So, what did I do there? I just got creative. Yes, I'm, breaking a golden nugget and revealing my secret. I, what I did previously when I showed you the same slide was I just made you opt in to my WhatsApp business account. Remember the opt in? The key ingredient for a successful WhatsApp marketing campaign, which is opt in. I made you voluntarily choose to be on my WhatsApp list, to be on my WhatsApp business account. Right? Yes, I did that with you, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how powerful the WhatsApp business app is if it is used in the right way, and you can do it too. And I am always there to guide and support you and share all the knowledge and experience I have of using the WhatsApp business app. Just a brief, detail or information about myself. I have been an entrepreneur since the last 7+ years, and I've gained immense experience using the WhatsApp business app for my primary business since the last 2 years plus. And personally, I have been able to achieve almost I've increased from just 400 customers to more than 2,500 customers just using the WhatsApp business app for my primary business in less than 3 months. Yes, that is my success story, to just give you in a short line. And yes, that's me, Nikita, your author and coach of WhatsApp Business Mastery. Thank you so much for hearing me out. And do remember to get started and scan the QR code and message me for more details about the 5-day WhatsApp for Business workshop. Thank you so much for watching with this video, and request you to follow my Facebook page, which is again called WhatsApp Business Mastery, and my Instagram handle, which is WBM_guru. Yes, WBM_guru on Instagram, and WhatsApp Business Mastery on Facebook. Thank you so much. See you inside.